respected teachers and dear comrades. Assalamu alaikum. We celebrate National Defense Day with due respect and deep love. We had to face a cunning enemy, but we did our job with dignity. Yes, dear comrades, September 6, 1965 is the day when India attacked our beloved motherland like a cunning thief under the cover of night. The Indians were so sure of their success that after a few hours they gathered with each other in Lahore to celebrate their victory. They were equipped with all kinds of weapons. Dear principal, as history teaches us, Abra, a pagan and arrogant king, attacked the holy house of Allah, Hana Kaaba, and led his army on black elephants. Similarly, India attacked our country with Russian and American black tanks marching in front of vulture-like fighter planes hovering in the sky. But what courage, boldness and bravery the Pakistani nation has demonstrated. As soon as the news of the attack broke, a wave of unity, boldness, sacrifice swept across the country. The whole world knows how in 1965 the fearless, brave tigers of Pakistan army put down a planned, organized and secret enemy invasion. They tied the bomb to their bodies and destroyed the big tanks and reduced the pride and courage of Indian army to ashes. I would like to end my speech with these poetry in the words of Iqbal. दश्त तो दश्त दरिया भी न छोड़े हमने, बहरे जुल्मात में भी दौड़ा दिए घोड़े हमने. Thanks for listening.